Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Khushbu Thakkar, and if you like this space of mine, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Since the last few videos I've been speaking on depression, as mental health is a subject of grave concern these days. Now today also there's an important message from my side wherein you need to realize, it's time to realize. With the atmosphere of terror, fear, anxiety all around, it is very difficult to live in the present, and the future looks uncertain. But we have to live in the present, isn't it? What's happening in the present is what counts. You need to ask yourselves, it's the time to ask yourselves, what do you want to do with your life, with your flickering life on this planet which already seems so fragile? This is an opportunity to turn wakefulness into awakening. Amidst your struggle, hustle, to attain the power, position, health, wealth, goodwill, the politics, religion. Apart from that, if you ask yourselves who you are, do you really get an answer? No, because everything has got no pace right now. Everything has lost its control at present. We have converted the human mind into a source of self-destruction, depression, frustration. But our human mind should be a source of peace, which is not the current scenario. Our psychology has become inconsistent, it has become weak, negative, and our thoughts keep on changing. We keep overthinking over things. So this happens because we pay a lot of attention on what people will think, we pay a lot of attention on the norms and biases of society, and at the end of the day, we only land up in nothing else but confusion and negativity. So where comes the happiness? Nowhere. We all are educated individuals, we all are mannered individuals, but education teaches you how to acquire knowledge, it teaches you how to become wealthy, it teaches you the etiquettes, but is there a curriculum that teaches you how to become happy? No, there isn't. And happiness is something which you should acquire on your own, because all the people on this planet are gifted with equal amount of capacity to acquire peace. And we are all offered with all the tools of self-determination which will help us get close to our goal of happiness and bliss. But are we really utilizing this power? No, we aren't. So this pandemic is the real time to utilize that power which you have. This is the time to use that inner strength which you possess. So let's make it happen, guys. Let's make it happen, friends. Let's make this happen. Let's make this possible. Let's all become a happy individual, eventually converting this earth into a happy planet. So are you all with me? Please hit the like button if you are all with me in this struggle of acquiring happiness. And my next video will be on how to get close to happiness. Stay tuned. Thank you.